Good morning guys! Kung gusto mo ng comfort tech, ito ang perfect car mo. So meron tayo guys, 2024 Ford Territory Titanium. Exterior wise tayo, napakagandang blue metallic paint. 18 inches alloy wheels na may napakakapal na tires. Sa harap naman tayo guys, napakagandang LED daylight, LED signal light, projector headlights, chrome grille, may camera na dito at one yung ending. And guys, keyless entry na siya, so hindi mo na kailangan hugutin yung susi every time na papasok ka sa kotse. Pipindutin mo lang to, automatic na rin yung side mirror at may ilaw na rin yan dito. Dito naman tayo sa napakagandang interior, well-designed na steering wheel, may mga controls na rin dito at may adaptive cruise control na rin to. 11,000 mileage on the clock, well-designed na digital display na may infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, well-designed na dashboard, heated and ventilated seats, piano black na aircon controls, wireless charging pad dito, storage space dito na nagiging cup holder, rotary shifter, electronic parking brake, parking assist at mga sensors niya, controls para sa infotainment system natin, storage space dito at secret storage dito, another storage space dito, vanity mirror sa passenger side at vanity mirror sa driver side at napakagandang headliner. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa Territory, napakaluwag na legroom at headroom, may aircon vents dito at USB port, armrest dito na may 2 built-in cup holders. Dito naman tayo sa likod, of course titanium, automatic tailgate na rin to. At kompleto na rin to ng spare tire, mga tools at may first aid kit na rin to. At kung meron kang gamit na ikakarga, pwede mong gawin to. Boom! Engine wise naman tayo guys, is a 1.5 liter turbocharged EcoBoost 7-speed CVT transmission engine. So gasoline engine siya. Napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina, bagong-bago pa yung kotse. Para ma-assure mo magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko. So sa fuel consumption naman niya, pwede na rin. So, kaya niya mag 10 to 12 km per liter sa city driving, sa highway 15 and up. Depende sa tapak ng paa mo. Napakaganda ng kotse na to. Sobrang advanced ng features niya. Sobrang techy. Kompleto ng safety, comfort. So kung gusto mo to, 2024 Ford Territory Titanium for only 1,065,000 pesos lang guys. Bagong-bago pa to, parang kakalabas lang ng kasa. So pwede to sa financing, trade-in, and cash transaction. Thank you guys. Peace out.